overview of the process of photosynthesis. The organelle where photosynthesis takes place is in the chloroplast. Photosynthesis consists of two different chemical reactions, the Calvin cycle and the light reactions. These processes occur in different regions of the chloroplast. The light reactions take place in the thylakoid and the Calvin cycle in the clear watery fluid called stroma. In the light reactions, the thylakoid membranes transform light energy to chemical energy. This process creates ATP, NADPH, and also oxygen. In the stroma, the Calvin cycle uses the products of the light reactions, specifically ATP and NADPH, to combine carbon dioxide with other molecules to form sugar. ADP and NADP+ can be used again in the light reactions to continue the cycle. This was an overview of photosynthesis. Thank you.
Now we'll be talking about the reactants and products of the light-dependent reaction. The first reactant is light, which gets absorbed by the chlorophyll and other pigments in the thylakoid membrane. The second reactant is water. And the third and fourth reactant is ADP and NADP+, which are made in the Calvin cycle and used in the thylakoid membrane. The first product is oxygen, which is released as a byproduct of the splitting of water. And the second and third reactant or product is ATP and NADPH. ATP is made through phosphorylation, while NADPH is formed when electrons from the splitting of water are transferred to NADP+.
In order to produce ATP, cells use...
To start, the single molecule of water is split into 1/2 O2, 2 electrons, and 2 hydrogen ions. The electrons move through photosystem 1, or is excited by the light, which then allows it to move through the electron transport chain. It then moves through the plastoquinine and the cytochrome BF complex. Both of these are active transport, which move hydrogen ions from the stroma down to the cycloid lumen. These hydrogen ions, combined with the hydrogen ions from the water, then move through the ATP synthase, which is facilitated diffusion. As they move through, they allow ADP and a phosphate group to merge into ATP. Then they go back to the stroma to start the cycle over again. Meanwhile, this electron moves through an electron carrier into photosystem 1. Since it powered the active transport, it no longer has energy and needs to be excited by light again. Then it moves through another electron transport into the ferredoxin NADP reductase, which is an enzyme that combines the electron, a hydrogen ion, and NADP into NADPH, and then the NADPH and the ATP go to power the Calvin cycle.